Hello mga kasama, nandito na naman tayo kasama ko. Meron tayong Whirlpool inverter siya. Ang complaint dito E5 kasi wari ko sa spin yan. Pagbangga ng suspension rod, nasira yung kanyang balancer switch, yung kanyang bump switch. So after natin ma-repair, skip tayo sa spin. Sa spin mga kasama, sobrang uga sa spin. Nauga. Sobrang uga. Sabihin, malambot na to. Ayun nangyari sa kanya. So, kailangan kong hugutin yung saksak. Kasi nga mauga nga. Malaglag to eh. Ayun. So, ang gawin natin, patunayan natin na oops. Ano yun? May mga damit sa ilalim. So, ang gawin natin, patunayan natin guys na pwede yung damp grease dito. So, simulan natin. Damp grease tayo ngayon.
Yo, check me way in the house. Problems of lights is no doubt. Let's go. Scroll sa FB. Looking for the best, you see. My DM's blowing up our end. Help, my washer's acting strange again. Dami kong customers, always saying salamat this. 24/7 ako'y ready, super reliable, steady. Check me way, siguradong okay. Check me way, walang delay. Check me way, siguradong okay. Tawag ka lang, we're on the way.
Wala nang play guys, wala nang play.
Washing machine as fixed.
Ganyan.
Ref not cold, the tricks.
Kabit
Got the
natin.
tricks. Aircon acting up to date. Oh, ageism, they say. Tech me way on speed.
Ano may isa?
Dial every problem
Play,
make
no?
one smile. Viral service
Yan natin.
trending now. Making broken things
Yan
go
natin siya.
wow. FB page could check the receipts. 5-star ratings can't compete. Super Galing they'll say. Tech support that makes your day. Direct message for booking. Appliance props give you stress. Send SOS through SNS. Fast reply, no cap for a fraud. That's the Techni way for sure. Techni way, siguradong okay. Techni way, walang delay. Techni way, siguradong okay. Tawag ka lang, we're on the way. Peace out. Techni way, your appliance BFF all day. Follow, like, and share that day.
So, ayan, di ba mga kasama, after natin malagyan ng damp grease, di ba, smooth na. Tapos ginaganto ko, walang play yan. Walang play yan. Bugs yan. Tsaka yung mga napalitan ko yan, matatagal na. Pero, syempre, palitan nyo pa rin suspension rod nyo balang araw.
Experts sa appliances, take me way, take me way. Problema sa appliances, iwaway. Take me way,
No,
aayusin.
hindi kagaya kanina. Kanina pati, wala pang laman, bumabangga na.
Microwave at stove.
Ito lalo na dapat bumabangga na to, may laman to eh. Dapat magigil to ng sobra lalo. Kasi may laman yan. Yan, ganun ng smooth eh. Parang bago. Parang bago yung suspension rod. Siyempre pag nilagay nyo lang basta yung damit, tas in-spin nyo, talagang may bangga. Hindi pa kasi siya pantay.
Na